Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Ishita. I have been interning in the Lexus & Company for the month of 15th June from 15th July. And this is the feedback video. So guys, I'm gonna tell you about the 3 points which I really loved and which I really learned during the internship period, and the 3 things I want them to improve for future interns. And so let's start. First thing which I really learned and which I really loved, the time management skills. This For the first 15 days I was given the task to upload 2 videos on a daily basis before 12 o'clock at the midnight, and 1 article writing. For the first few days it was really very hectic, and I was in the mood to give up, but then I realized that I am developing the skill of managing my time. And also the second thing which I learned from the video making assignment was the public speaking. I was not very confident enough to face the camera and talk like that, but during this period of time I developed the skill of public speaking in front of camera. And that was all. Then the second thing was a third thing was the researching part. For writing my articles I had to research on the daily basis a lot. I had been researching for 1 to 2 hours to write a topic even. Then for making videos also I needed to the content. I researched it, so it really developed my researching skills too. So this first 15 days, for first few days it took me 3 to 4 hours to make videos even. Then after few days it took me just 5 minutes or even just 1/2 an hour to make a video. Only researching and speaking, that was so easy, that became so easy for me. Then there comes the live sessions. I want them to improve these things, that they should take more live sessions. It's not about live sessions, they should take some things in Google Meet or in Teams, so that people are more engaged. And because in live sessions people don't really attend and they just pretend that they're attending, so and they don't learn many things. And if there would be Google meetings or Microsoft Teams meetings, then people will be much more interested and they'll do attend, because they won't get the time to repeat to learn the same again. And in live sessions it's a recorded version, they can access it anytime, and so they use it uselessly. That's no use. Then I want them to provide some group work, because in this internship I haven't even connected with any of the other interns. Like I even don't know the names of my colleague interns. So I want them to give the group work so that we can have some communication and develop these skills too. Thirdly, the assignment should be precisely, because giving articles on a daily basis becomes too boring. Give some They should give alternative works too, which we people be more enthusiastic in doing so. Because on the daily basis giving articles and then video making, people can do that in one day and they can give on the others day. So give some different tasks on different days, so that people are more engaged and more enthusiastic. So that was all. Overall I want to say for the further interns that they should must intern for at least a month. They'll learn a lot. I have developed my time management skills, I have developed my research skills, and I really I was not confident enough to speak in front of camera, and now I can make a video in 5 minutes. That became so easy for me. So I will recommend the internship for the people or for the time. So that was all. Thank you for watching the video.